Watch your left side.
Clear, clear.
Bring it down slow. Keep an eye on the temperature gradient here. It's spiking.
I'm opening the cooling valve slightly.
Level stable at 200 cubic meters. Proceeding with phase 2 discharge.
Copy that. Maintaining pressure.
Scene 23. The wash pulp enters the digger machine, where vacuum belt rapidly increases. The bleached pulp is pumped into these massives prior to the drying process.
Here at the wet lap formation station, precision distributors ensure the slurry spreads evenly across the wires.
The temperature on cylinder 12 is slightly elevated. Let's reduce the steam pressure on the third bank.
The real-time update confirms the count. We just need to verify the batch numbers on the next row.
Day 3, verify order 412.
Confirmed.
Placing the final pallet now.
Set it right there by the edge. Copy that, watching the line.
Keep the flow steady. The concentration is holding at 20.1%.
Acknowledged. We are within the target range.
At the pressing station, hydraulic presses squeeze the excess alkali liquor from the swollen cellulose, achieving the optimal ratio.
The controlled oxidative removal reduces viscosity, ensuring the alkali crumbs meet the precise standard.
The viscosity is stabilizing right on target.
Good. Maintain the flow rate.
Sample 47 confirms the required clarity.
Excellent. The automated system is working efficiently.
The vacuum pressure is stable at negative 90 kPa. Good. The deaeration process is running smoothly.
Here, the viscose jets hit the acidic coagulation bath, solidifying into silky filaments, which are then drawn by automated goddets.
The filaments pass through heated godet rollers for orientation and strength enhancement, before entering the wash baths to remove residual acids.
The multi-roller openers tease apart the bundles, while pneumatic systems ensure all impurities are removed, preparing the fibers for the next stage.
The hydraulic rams operate in rhythmic cycles, compressing the fibers into dense bales.
Here in the blending hall, the operator customizes the blend ratios digitally, ensuring the perfect mix of sugarcane fibers.
This high-speed carding process is essential, transforming the sugarcane fibers into a uniform, delicate web.
Tracking the cycle, biocomposite granules are injected and molded. Robotic arms swiftly remove the durable, speckled products as the next cycle begins.
The transcription captures the bustling activity of a busy factory dock.
Keep an eye on the temperature in reactor 3. It's starting to climb.
I see it. Adjusting the coolant flow now.
Nitrogens. The suspension now enters the multi-stage purification array. High speeds effectively separates
The high-pressure homogenization process forces the nanocellulose gel through microchannels, disentangling the fibrils into a uniform suspension.
The metering system is holding steady at 1.2 microns.
Good. The barrier properties look consistent across the web.
We need to adjust the tension on core 7.
The alignment looks good, retention is holding steady.